Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In the previous video, we got acquainted with the methods in general. In this video, we will consider the method parameters. So, let's get started. First, let's try to understand what the parameter is. Information can be passed to methods as parameter. Parameters act as variables inside the method. They are specified after the method name inside the parentheses. It is just necessary to separate them with a comma. In the program class, let's write a method that will get the string type first name parameter. So let's do this. Static, of course, void. So for example, name. String, of course, first name. And then console outline, first name, class, for example, Smith. As we know, the method does not work if we do not call it, so let's call the name method in main for different names. So name, of course, for example, Jessica, and John. Okay, running the program, we will get the result in the console window. So one very important thing to keep in mind here, when a parameter is passed to the method, it is called an argument. So in this example, first name is a parameter while Jessica, Anne and John are arguments. We can also use a default parameter value by using the equal sign. If we call the method without an argument, it uses the default value. So let's try this. Let's delete these parts, of course. Okay, we have static, void, country name, string country, assigned to USA, and of course console outline country. So the default value of country is USA, and now let's move on to the main method. So we have country name, of course, Sweden, for example. Again, country name, but only Finland. And country name, nothing. So running the program, we will get the values Sweden, Finland, and USA in the console window. A parameter with a default value is often known as an optional parameter. In this example, country is an optional parameter and United States is the default value. Of course, we can have as many parameters as we like, so let's announce a method like that. Let's delete these parts, of course. Okay, we have static, void, print info, for example. So we have string first name and int age. Console outline, first name, class, double quotes, is, class age, of course. And now let's move on to the main method. So we have print info, of course, for example, m and 20. Second one, print info again. So in the second one, Ariana we have is 27, for example. And last one, we have John is 30 years old. Running the program, we will get the result in the console window. Anne is 20, Ariana is 27, and John is 30 years old. So let's talk about return values. The void keyword indicates that the method should not return a value. If we want the method to return a value, we can use a primitive data type such as int or double instead of void and use the return keyword inside the method. Let's try to write such a program. So let's delete these parts, of course. Okay, we have static int print info again. In this case, we have only int x. So return, of course, for example, 5 plus x. Let's move on to the main method. So it is already necessary to use the console outline command here, as there is no such command inside the method. So we have console.line, of course, print info, for example 4. Running the program, we will get the result in the console window. In this case, it is 9. We can write a method that gets two parameters and returns their sum. So let's do this. Okay, we have int x, int y, for example, and then return y plus x. Let's move on to the main method, of course. So printing for 4 and 6, for example. So running the program, we will get the result in the console window. In this case, it is 10. So today we considered method parameters. In the next video, we will explore method overloading. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications button to not miss the further videos. I wish you a good day. Bye!